Hello, ma'am. Good morning, sir. May I introduce myself? My name is Iso. You can call me So. I am 23 years old. My date of birthday is 15 May 2002. My weight is 40 kg. My height is 150 centimeter. I am single. I am body. I am sustainable. I have 5 family members. My father, my mother, elder brother, younger brother, and me. My father is 62 years old. My mother is 58 years old. My parents are farmer. I can do housework, cleaning, washing, ironing, and cooking. I can cook Myanmar food, meat, vegetable, and soup. Can cook simple Chinese food. I can take care baby and elderly. I like animal. I can speak English a little. I have experience 2 years how made in Yangon, Myanmar, and Braya. How take care 5 year old children and generate how I want to work for your family 4 years more. I want to work in Singapore because I want to support my family and my future. I will try my best. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.